So now moving forward to the next part, which is text to video. So for that part, I will be opening a new template using the video itself. Let's open that. Yes, there it is. That's to create a video without any images, without any assets you have. All you have an idea. So to paint that idea from the text to the video, you can do it with the help of Magic. So what is Magic Media? If I click on the Magic Media here, so there is the images, there is the videos. If you click on the videos, it has been powered by Runway. So Runway has introduced recently the Gen 2 to create a video from the text, and that's actually revolutionary. So how does it work? Is the beta. I'm just creating a random video from my text. Obviously, will be using the one of 50 credits. So describe a scene to generate a few seconds of video. Or you can also try an example, or book sitting on a desk near a window and professional cinematography. So if you want something like that, if you want to add your own prompts to it, just as be details as possible. So let's do that. Paradise in the heaven with angels flying around. So I'm just doing this and click on generate video. So it will create a video. Just wait for it. Okay, so we have got our output. Oh wow, this looks so good. So if I just drag here, if you click on this, looks so good. So we haven't created anything. It has used just the Runway's API to create one. This is very beautiful. So you can create a series of videos just using your own text here. I will create a one video where we will create a music video using tool from the scratch for our music. So that will be a part of another video which we are going to post that in upcoming. We do subscribe to our channel for that. So that's about the text to the video. That's how you can use your text prompt to create a video inside Canva.